Got the keys, man. You know what I'm saying? Got them keys, man. Got them keys.
I was outside being bad with the Greeks, nigga, bad with the. And I'm gonna be high. I'm rocking by. I landed by side, different level my kind. Spin old man for my bra, spin old man for my mind.
Yo, we in LA now, man. Grandy Gang headquarters now out in LA. We just got here, so like, I didn't really film because as you can see, we just had like hella bags and we just carrying them the whole time. So here's the spot, man. Everybody was recommending this first joint, but yeah, man, we gonna see what the day takes us, bro. We literally just touched down, literally just got to the crib. Still got a couple of stuff to do. So I don't know where the vlog is gonna go after this. I really didn't. Like I said, I started mad late, so I don't know, man, but we gonna see.
Hollywood swinging.
Count with you guys. Wait.
We just got the keys, man. We just got the keys, man. You know what I'm saying? New spot, new drops, new tops, new cops. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
Second day, man, in beautiful California. Chilling, getting stuff for the apartment. Finna go, I don't know where we finna go, but we finna get furniture. We at IKEA right now. It's This is my first time in an IKEA. We don't got these in my city. So, we finna see if they got some raw stuff in here.
If you're living by yourself and you're okay with sleeping on this?
Yeah.
So what seems to be your problem?
Well, we just moved to LA.
Are you bloated? Are you bloated? Answer the question.
No.
Well, if you're not bloated, then you should be fine. Session's over. Where's my smoke break at? Where's my smoke break?
That was the most Hollywood therapy session I ever had. So, check me out real quick. We've been thugging it out on the air matches. This is like the third day here or whatever. Waiting for all our stuff to come through so we can really get our rooms correct and right how it should be. But I had to show y'all that something came in the mail, man. Got the Sony a6400 Sigma lens 1.8. So everything from now on should be extremely crispy. That's why I really haven't been vlogging and stuff like that, because I really wanted to have the quality right. Plus we were just like in the moving process, so everything's like a hassle right now. So pulling out the camera is like not ideal for what I'm trying to do right now, but just want to let y'all know that, because now on, the vlog is gonna be crispy, man. The video is gonna be crispy, and I'm in LA, so you already know what's going down, man. But we're gonna get into the rest of the vlog. All right, man, we finna head out. Whole nother day, whole nother vibe. Gonna hit downtown LA. See what the moves are. We just gonna see what the day takes us today, man. We just came up, man. Box is already coming to the crib, so finna hurry up and take these up. All right, now we out for real.
Different level my kind. Spin old man for my bra, spin old man for my mother.
Man, this the vlog settings right here, but this lens is like extremely huge. Hold on, I'm gonna record from the other so y'all can see. This is finna be like Inception real quick. Oh shoot. It's the normal vlog camera right here. And it's recording right now, and I'm gonna switch it back so y'all can see how huge this is, bro. So when y'all be seeing like people YouTubing, understand how heavy this camera really can get if you like vlog for like an hour, just so y'all know. So with that being said, man, I don't know if I'm finna be vlogging off this. I know this is for sure gonna be the main camera, but for right now, I don't know. This might not be the vlog move, unless I get a different lens that's a lot wider, so. Bro, so basically, our whole day just been a bust, man. We're supposed to go to downtown LA, which we did go, but unfortunately your boy right here, his move ain't pulled through, man, so we just basically just wasted a whole day just walking around. But now we got Chipotle, so finna eat this and see what, bro, I don't even know what's going on at this point. Like, my vlog is just everywhere. And it's just, I don't know. I don't know, bro.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Like, I'm just recording at this point, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when I really get into the swing of things, and I'll really be able to like give y'all some good vlogs. So I don't know. So we back at the crib. Ain't gotta thug it out on the air mattress no more, man, because the bed came. So I'm finna open this bed up. You know what I'm saying? Casual phosphorus was just drinking in the living room, but yeah, man, finna try to open this boy up. So it's a whole nother day. I know because this is literally like kind of everywhere. Like, hold on, let me get this joint set up. But look, man, I know this vlog is kind of like everywhere. It's really like a half vlog. But honestly, like, I just wanted to let y'all know that we are now out in LA. Everything's gonna be better, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't really want to end it off here because I feel like we haven't really done anything. But best believe everything's gonna be lit. There's gonna be more vlogs from here on out. I'm getting into like a whole lot more stuff here. If y'all didn't know, I was in Indiana, South Bend, and it's really like no way to really like expand out there. So this is pretty much just me saying that I'm out here in LA and that y'all will be able to see more stuff now, more excitement, more content, more clothes. I probably have access to a lot more stuff out here. So I don't know, I'm just taking y'all along for the journey and we'll see how things go. Check out this view though, this view is crazy. Hold on. Like, look at this joint, yo. Palm trees and all, man. And it's literally, it's December 20th when I'm recording this right now. So we are in December. It's like 70 degrees. Everywhere else is like cold and snowing. So I don't know, man. We'll kind of see where this journey takes us. More vlogs coming soon, so make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below what y'all want to see me do out here, because I can switch up the content every now and then. So let me know what y'all want to do. But that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back to you with more. Peace.